and now we have an edge loop that will give us the corridor that we want. We're gonna split this, lower this part. I got near to what we want to achieve. It's the first step. Let's define this the way Warwick does it. Fine from the inside. Good, so we now have a clear, crisp corridor. You could run water through here, I suppose. It's pretty nice. So, how do we steer it? Well, this is the part that Grant Warwick doesn't explain at all. He's a pro modeler, I get that. He does what he does by instinct by now. He has a lot of years of experience. So he works by saying, I can exactly explain what I'm doing, but follow along and you'll get it. Well, it would help to explain it a bit better, Grant, but thanks. I tried to do my